Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to create this 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start the video. Let's remove this text first. The font I'm using for this text effect is EXO and the font size will be 190 point. Let's center this to the artboard. Next, click on this none to remove the fill color, and then we'll go to appearance panel. Here, click on this add new fill icon. Next, we'll go to gradient panel and fill this with default black and white gradient. Change the angle to 90. Click on this white point. Change the location to 42%. Click on this black point. Change the location to 46%. And let's change the colors. Click on these three dots and change this to RGB. And then let's change the color. Next, we'll select the white point. Again, click on these three dots or lines. Change this to RGB, then we'll change the color. Next, we'll go to appearance panel. Let's duplicate this layer. Now select this layer, change the color to white. Next, we need to apply a transform effect to this white layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform, and here in move section we'll keep the horizontal value to 0, and for vertical we need -2 pixel. Next, click OK. Now we'll duplicate this white layer. Next, select this white layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Next, click on this arrow, then click on transform, and here we'll change the move section values. This time we need a 2 pixel for horizontal, and we'll change this vertical value to 0 pixel, and then click OK. Next, we need to apply a free distort effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform, and free distort, and here we'll change this like this. Next, let's close this layer and let's select this layer and duplicate this layer. Now drag this layer to bottom. Let's change the color of this layer first. Then click OK. Next, we need to apply an offset path to this layer. Let's go to effect, path and offset path, and apply a 15 pixel offset path, and let's change the joints to round. Then click OK. Next, we'll apply a transform effect to this layer. Let's go to effect, distort and transform, and here in move section we'll apply -2 pixel for horizontal, and we'll keep the vertical to 0. Then click OK. Next, we'll apply inner glow to this layer. Let's go to effect, stylize and inner glow, and click on this color and change this color to this one. Then click OK. We need 40% opacity and 10 pixel blur, and then click OK. Next, let's close this and we'll duplicate this layer. Let's select this layer and let's change the color. Then click OK. Click on this arrow and let's remove this inner glow from this layer. Next, select this layer and let's apply one more transform effect to create a 3D effect to this text. Let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform, click on Apply New Effect, and here in Move section keep the horizontal value to 0 pixel and in vertical 0.5 pixel, and we need 45 copies. Then click OK. Now let's create a smooth drop shadow effect to this text. For that, let's select this layer, duplicate this layer, now drag this layer to bottom. Now let's change the color of this layer to black. Then click OK. Click on this arrow. Let's remove the inner glow from this layer. Next, let's change the transform value of this layer. Here in Move section, change the horizontal value to 0 and we need 30 pixel for vertical. Then click OK. Next, we'll apply a Gaussian blur effect to this drop shadow layer. Let's go to Effect, Blur and Gaussian blur. Let's apply a 10 pixel Gaussian blur. Then click OK. Click on opacity, change the blend mode to multiply and change the opacity to 50%. Then click OK. Select this drop shadow layer, duplicate this. Now select this last layer and change the opacity to 70%. Let's go to transform effect of this layer and let's change the value. We need 40 pixel for this layer. Then click OK. Let's change the Gaussian blur of this layer and we need 40 pixel Gaussian blur for this layer. Then click OK. Let's close this layer, select this last layer, duplicate this one more time. Now select this last drop shadow layer. Now click on transform and change the move section value, vertical value to 60 pixel. Then click OK. Let's keep this to 50 pixel and then click OK. Next, click on Gaussian blur and change the Gaussian blur to 60 pixel. Then click OK. And let's change the opacity of this layer to 50%. OK. Next, click on Type here in Appearance panel. Then go to Effect, Warp and apply Arc effect to this layer. And we'll apply a 15% arc to this text. Next, let's type another word like good vibe. Change the text size to 100 point and we'll keep it like here. Let's apply this text effect to this vibe text. Let's go to layers and click on this text layer. Click on arrow to open the layer and now select this text effect, 3D text effect layer and press the Alt button on your keyboard and drag this to vibe layer like this. And here we go. The whole text is applied to vibe. Okay, here is our final text effect look. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.